Tanghulu is a Chinese dessert or snack, and it's basically like candied fruit on a stick. It's typically sold at markets, zoos, and by street vendors in China. Traditionally, it's made with hawthorn berries that are stacked on top of one another, but today I'm just going to make an easier version and go with strawberries. You only need 2 other ingredients and about 15 minutes to make this sweet treat. First, pour the sugar into your saucepan, and then pour some water on top. Then turn up the heat and melt the mixture together. Make sure you don't mix it though, because you don't want any clumps. You want more of a syrup. If you don't have a thermometer like me and want to check that the syrup is ready, get a glass of ice water, take your spoon and dip it in there, and then dip it into the syrup. If it comes out and hardens right away, you know it's ready. Okay, so next take the strawberry and dip it into the mixture. You want to make sure that it's fully coated in syrup, and then you'll take it out. But you want to make sure you move quickly so that the syrup doesn't burn and the strawberries don't cook. Now it's time for the strawberries to cool so that the syrup can harden. You can stick them in the fridge if you want, or just leave them on the counter until you're ready to enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste. I'm so excited. These were so easy to make and they look beautiful. Woo! It's not the easiest thing to eat, but the strawberry is so juicy and the sugar hardened and just broke off in pieces. It's so good.